Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Monday, February 9th, 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. After a tough week of selling pressure, especially in tech, U.S. stocks roared back on Friday. The Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed over 1,200 points and closed above 50,000 for the first time ever, marking a historic milestone and one of its strongest single-day gains. The S&P 500 rose around 2%, recording its best session in months, and the Nasdaq Composite climbed over 2%. Asian stock markets opened strongly higher across the region, following positive cues from global markets as Japan's Nikkei surged and hit record highs, boosted by optimism around fiscal stimulus and policy support after Prime Minister Sanai Takaichi's election victory. GIFT Nifty futures, as of 8 a.m., was trading at 25,923, thereby indicating a positive opening for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices softened in recent sessions as easing geopolitical risk premiums and broader risk-off sentiment pressured the energy complex, following declines from earlier highs. Some pressure also reflects oversupply concerns and weaker demand expectations. Precious metals have been volatile and mostly weaker after steep swings last week, with gold and silver staging sharp sell-offs from record highs as profit-taking continued, and the US dollar remained firm, weighing on bullion prices. SBI delivered a strong standalone performance in Q3, with net profit jumping 24.5% year-on-year to 21,028 crore rupees, driven by steady core income growth. Net interest income rose 9% to 45,190 crore rupees, while other income surged over 66%, giving a big boost to profitability. Tata Steel reported a sharp turnaround, posting a massive 723% jump in consolidated net profit for the December quarter at 2,689 crore rupees, compared to 327 crore rupees a year ago. The strong growth reflects improved operating performance and better market conditions across key geographies. Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency has approved a 2,994 crore rupees fundraising plan through the qualified institutional placement route, aimed at strengthening its capital base and supporting future growth in renewable energy financing. Nifty is expected to open positively today following strong global cues as the US as well as the Japanese markets hit new record highs coupled with trade deal optimism. Supports at the bottom can be moved up to 25,615, followed by 25,500, while resistances on the way up which may be tested are at 25,800 followed by 25,910. Indian equities may face near-term pressure from extended global risk-off sentiment, continued volatility in commodities, and cautious positioning by foreign investors, factors that could keep traders on the defensive today. On the upside, markets could find support from strong Q3 earnings, renewed safe haven buying in gold amid macro uncertainty, positive flows into financial and infrastructure themes, and any supportive cues from key domestic data or policy announcements that help restore confidence. On Friday, FIIs were net buyers of about 1,951 crore rupees, while DIIs were net sellers of around 1,265 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on February 9th, 2026. For more such updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.